M4CS, taking delivery of my M4DCS. So we at the dealership now, but I ain't gonna lie, this blue on camera look crazy.
But you a stepper, nigga. I was jumping off before first period. You was eating breakfast, nigga. Call my Glock DMs, cause it's gonna send you a message, nigga. Ride around, stolen cars. How about snatch your necklace, nigga? Stop.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Von, aka VonHylton, coming to y'all back with another video. As y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm gonna be getting 5% tints and 20% windshield on my car. You feel me? So I always rock that percent tint on all my cars, 5% all the way around, 20% on the windshield. I recommended it to Jordan. As you can see on his car, he got it, he in love with it. So right now, I'm about to actually go get my car washed. After I wash my car, I had to go scoop Jordan because his car getting serviced. And then we're gonna head out to the window tint place and go from there. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you never miss when I upload. I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm at a car wash or I'm with Jordan. They get me right now. You feel me? I don't even gotta leave the whip. If you don't know, it's best to get your car power washed and not go through like the drive-in wash because it scratches your paint and everything like that. So got the team right here. Get me right. I don't know if I'm gonna let them do inside. I probably should. Probably gonna let them do it inside. But they get me right. You feel me? Alright, they said about an hour and a half. About to start my tint process. This square ass nigga right here. Swear to God.
What you hating for?
What I'm hating for. It's just about to be black. No more. No. Like yours, huh? The dark side, huh?
I know you
But fishbowl. I'm about to get the dark tints right now. About to be blacked out. I don't know yet. I don't know if I want to go chrome wheels or if I want to go black wheels. I don't know yet. Let me know down in the comment section down below what color wheels you think I should go with.
I'm gonna lie, because you probably gonna be zoom, so I'm saying like
Black or mag blue. I don't know.
I'm saying on camera.
I don't know yet. Let me know down in the comment section below what color wheels I should go with. But my color scheme is based off of Zoom. If you haven't watched the Flash, it's like the black and blue Flash. I gotta be quiet. But yours was my sheen. Slime. We back in the whip. I haven't did an outside test because we had to move out that spot because your dogs was over there being...
Yo, hey, nah.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie.
Called them over there.
Me?
Vaughn called them over there.
I ain't gonna say what they was, but if you know, you know. You feel me? Yeah, some Transformers. But I got the tints done and everything, 5% around.
Blood clot.
Yo, so I got 5% all the way around, 20% on the windshield. We headed to the dealership right now to go check on his car. His car is in the shop, getting serviced for some parts. And then we're gonna see how it looks from the outside. But on the inside, everything looks fine. For people who was asking, is it dark with front windshield tint? In my opinion, no. It literally just looks like regular. It looks like stock.
Like they didn't even put on tint on your front windshield.
Yeah, that's what it is with ceramic tint and stuff like that. Everything looks stock in my opinion. But this the tint right now from the inside view. And then when we get to the dealership, I'm gonna show you guys the outside view and everything like that.
Imagine it's a fishbowl. That would be funny as hell.
I'll spin back. Cause I haven't checked it. So we at the dealership now, but I ain't gonna lie, this blue on camera look crazy. So the tint's done now. And then that bit, alright. That bit look, welcome to the dark side. But nah, this F83 look crazy. Drop top, red guts. You feel me? I like the competition wheel. But peep the i8 though. Peep the i8 though. Dang. But we gotta check on the status of his car after we go pick up this gift. Cause you know, they said he owned this, so he get a gift.
Yes, sir. I'm telling you, this is my second home.
Hey, walk in the door like this is yours. That's how you put on. You try to stick your chest out. Here in my garage.
Here in my garage, like I own these things.
M4 CS taking delivery of my M4 DCS. You see the bruh, real carbon, bruh.
Only has 15,000 miles.
For 79, that ain't bad.
You get an Alcantara steering wheel.
That's fire.
This is a real race car.
That's fire. And bruh, I like how it comes with the lip and the wing already. This is from factory? Or this was someone's car?
GTS tail lights? No, I don't think so.
Someone had to trade this in. Cause it had GTS tail lights, it has carbon fiber wing,
I don't think
diffuser.
GTS tail lights, but it comes with everything else.
Bruh, yeah, carbon fiber roof? Nah, this was somebody's car.
It's coming normally. Factory, bro.
For real?
Yeah, if you
I
don't
never
have
knew
a you get a couple million.
I never knew that. But that's fire.
Stop playing with the M's, dog.
Stop playing. About to give me an M next. Oh, look at this blue one. That's the M4 too, right? Big old brakes on it. I like this blue. It had white.
Sponsored by
It had white guts. Chill. That boy, my shit is under the knife. That boy got brand new brakes on it. Shit.
This is the leak that I was telling you about right here. See that? Oh,
Damn.
yeah. So that requires
Bruh, I think we're in the wrong industry, bruh. M4 CSL, he just sold it to Vista BMW.
he buys and flips cars.
Buys and flips cars. Damn. This junk is clean.
I gotta get it from Instagram too, bro. Hold on, bro. Home.
You got the BMW stuff, huh?
Hell yeah, it's
You
my second home.
sponsored by BMW?
Damn near.
Damn.
I'm damn near sponsored by BMW now.
Oh man, we got
damn
a
near sponsored by BMW.
2023 N340i, and we got a 20. I don't know what it. G80. Oh, hold on, someone calling me. Randall calling me.
Hurry up and move.
It's been how long since you haven't had your car?
Bro, it's been a week, bro. I feel like it's been like months. Damn, this AC cold. Oh yeah, they
Turn this shit off.
This thing good, bro.
This man acting like a little girl right now.
Bro. Nah, I'm just happy to have my car back, bro.
It's been a week.
It's been a week. Nigga.
1 week.
Oh.
1 week.
There we go. It's been a week, nigga.
1 week.
Week is too long, boy. Oh, I got my car back.
A week.
I got my baby back.
Bro, a week, bro. A week. You gotta chill. It's been 1 week. But dog got his car back.
Woo! Pop that son. Pop that ass son, nigga.
Yo, this man funny, bro.
Woo! Yeah! Damn, bro, I missed the shit.
Yeah, bro, take me to my car right now. Take me to my
Oh,
car.
my shit.
Right now, bro, right now. I thought it was motion, bro.
Hey, bro, slow. They don't know about that yet. What that Mustang want smoke?
Oh,
Get that Mustang
man.
smoke real quick. Eco boost.
Eco boost. Woo! You a
I missed
funny
this car
guy.
too.
You a funny guy, bro.
What you talking about, bro? I can't just miss my car, bro.
Oh, that's M5?
I be hating. Yeah,
F5?
F5 comp.
Yeah, that's my dream car right there.
Oh, yeah, this baby M5 right here.
Whoa.
Yup.
Woo! Alright,
Let's see who tints is darker.
Let's see. Oh, as a matter of fact, let's see who tints is darker.
Let's see who tints is darker.
Nah. Alright, so let me ask y'all this. Whose tint is darker? Mine? I just got mine today.
Oh, no, mine is darker.
It-
Mine is darker.
Well, mine didn't settle yet. Like I said, I just got mine today, and yours settled in like what, a week or two ago?
Yeah, bro.
But for right now, who you think tint is darker?
Thing is, my stomach is cracked too, bro. Nah, mine is darker for
For sure?
sure. Yeah.
For sure.
Yours is still dark, but nah, mine is darker.
Nah, bro. It's not darker. Watch. Wait till it settles, and then we gonna compare.
Right. What is this, a 10 off?
A 10 off. Yeah, but the tints right now, they both 5% on the sides. And we both got 20% on the windshield. We both got ceramic tints. You feel me? But his is settled because he had his for like a week or two, and I just got mine today. So. Alright, so I'm gonna end out the video here. The car is tinted now. Jordan got his car back, you feel me? So before I say anything else, let me know down in the comment section whose tints is darker, mine or his. We both got 5% ceramic tints all the way around and 20% on the front windshield. his is settled in already because he had it for like a week or two already. I just got mine today. So, bro, what are you talking? That's what my video's about. What are you talking about? Look, the man hating, bro. Like this, man hating. What? My sunroof is open too. Mine is too. Yeah, it's open. Look, the man hating. He hating.
Oh!
Yo, but nah, so let me know in the comment section who tints it darker, Zoom or Machine. Cause this man, he be hating, bro. But with that being said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss when I upload. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.
We don't ride stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Not a little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. We don't ride stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Not a little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, you gotta be smoking runs. If you ain't from around here, don't come around here. TLC better creep in the house. Walk out the door, don't leave a fire. He on probation, chief in mind. Heard your favorite rapper, cat that nigga, they'll be telling lies. Go to war with 24 court, you might as well be a sacrifice. See some shady shit at 8, told Lil Speedy past 9. If you play, you know the rest, where Lil Tay gon' lay it down. We smoke runs, elevate your mind. Close the door, they ain't safe outside. Fuck what you heard, I don't play by mine. Fuck what you heard, I don't play by mine. Can't fuck no little thought hoe. About cheese ain't talking nacho. If you know about Polo Mike, that's Mr. Runch, you know he got dope. Heard you freeze up under pressure, got cold feet, that me and sauce cold. If you try to grease the piece and it won't go, that me or my throat. Your own dime won't let you grease, it can't be me, cause me, I got hoes. I be laughing to the cheese. If you know cheese, you know he got jokes. Free Lil Maya, JBB, Frank One, Nixon, and El Chapo. Got some shit that make it top float. Got some shit that'll let your ops know. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Not a little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Not a little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Not a little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. Gotta be smoking runs. Gotta be smoking runs. Vietnam, gotta be smoking runs. Leave it at one. Gotta be smoking. Zaza.